Hey there, how are you all? Today we are going to be connecting 500 plus apps with an MCP server to OpenAI's Agent Builder. Now, I haven't made a video on it at all. This is going to be my first one, but I look forward to creating more content on this one. It's gonna help business a lot. Anyway, so the way we are going to do is we are going to create a workflow, the simple one. Now you see it's when you okay, let me show you. When you create a workflow on N8N and when you add a new node, you actually get a lot of options to create. To put a node, you get on app, on a schedule. So let's say if we put trigger manually, we have tremendous amount of apps to connect to. We have Google, we have Drive, we have Notion, we have other stuff as well. But here, it's not that much. Right, it's just MCP server. So when we add tools from here, we go to MCP server. Now it's kind of limited. And if you don't use this method that I'm going to show you right now, you're going to have a lot of unnecessary work. And you don't want that. It's like using a pre-built route to 500 plus apps APIs on MCP format instead of building your own route. You can build your own route, of course you can, but why do unnecessary work, bro? Why? So we are going to be using Rube.app. There we go. Well, as we can see, we are here. We can connect Rube in a lot of ways. We can also connect it to N8N, by the way. Kind of interesting, right? We're gonna make a video on that as well, but for now, let's go with Agent Builder. Okay. Now we go to. There we go. And now we are going to add a tool. We're gonna add a server by clicking here. Hmm. We are going to copy this MCP URL. We click here. We put any label, say Rube or whatever. Let's put Rube, and then we're gonna leave this one out. And in authentication, we are not going to use access token or API key method. We are going to use custom headers method. We are going to put authorization better and a small space. And now we are going to paste the key that Rube is going to give us. Okay, sign in and generate token. Let's sign in. Let's do that. Continue with Google. Cool. Here we are. Uh, generate token. Here we have. Now, I'm going to blur this out because I don't want you guys to know about it. Yeah, it's kind of private. Anyway, let's paste it. It's done. Now let's connect it. It's kind of crazy what things we can do nowadays. But whatever. Yeah, add all of that. Always no. Never require approval for any tool call because if you're gonna require approval for every tool call, then it's gonna be a havoc. You don't want that in your automation side of things. So it's done. Now let's what else this says. I don't think it says anything at all now. Let's go to dashboard. Let's go to apps. Let's enable calendar. All right. Compose here. Select all the scopes. Setup. Done. We are going to go to preview to check that out. Okay, let's text set an event named gym session tomorrow at 9 a.m. on calendar. Let's see how this works out. Boys, we are not going to be using GPT-5. We are going to be using GPT-5 Nano to make things fast and, to show you guys how this works. Set an event named gym session at 10 a.m. tomorrow on the calendar. Okay. It says that it has created that one, so let's go. It's tomorrow at 10. Oh, there we go. All right, it's working. If we had to do that on anything, it's gonna be a little bit more setup, but this has made it a bit easier. So let's go on. Let's try something more. Let's go to apps. Let's enable Gmail. Compose here. Setup. Continue. Done. Let's see what we got. What we got? Okay, we have access to all of that. Read. Okay, we got access to all the scopes. We can modify emails as well now. So let's see if that works. Send an email to Arhan Zain at gmail.com. By the way, if you want to talk to me about, setting all the agents and automation and AI stuff, feel free to send me an email to this email, right? Right, to arhanzain.com, asking him what's up. What's his next YouTube video is going to be about. Okay. Can't send that email. I want to confirm before sending anything publicly as a draft. Quick question about your next video. Yeah. I don't know why it's asking for so many confirmations. Email sent. Okay. Now, with a little bit of coding, with a little bit of prompting, it can be pretty good. Yeah, I like it. I like this new agent builder. I'm gonna make more videos on it. So for now, let's just keep it as it is. Let's see you in the next video.